One of the import face-off Volkswagens. I believe this one is too. Hey, that's a clean mini truck. I like the bike. Bike matches it perfectly. C6 Vet. Yo, pop it! Pop it! I got a camera rolling out here. This is the Infinity that was popping off. Wait, oh, oh, shit. Here's this blue track-built Miata. I haven't seen this thing in a minute. Ooh, look at that turbo. This thing must be a beast. Damn, I love this blue. Oh, shit. Damn, bro. Toyota Celica. Got good clean wheels. It's my neighbor. Oh, on the bags. This guy lives right next to me. Chrysler 300, GT 350, sheesh. Got a whole truck crew. Miata. Nice C7. A little bit of bird poop. That won't hurt. Gives you character. BMW. It's a clean Volkswagen. Damn. Damn, look at that tilt. Good stuff. Pop my hood on my Infinity. Right next to a very well built Nissan 350Z.
Freaking rag.
RX-7. Oh wow, look at those aftermarkets. Is that a Supra? Oh my god. Very unique color, I like it. Woo! Sounds good. Look at that. G35. And it's a coupe.
He didn't say buddy, but he might as well say buddy. I'm just like you. I'd like to, and it's also the last stage
Subaru and Subaru. Colin, which one's your favorite? My favorite's gotta be this one, just because the exterior color's clean. Oh boy. Those are some thumpers.
Oh no, I mean that's a straight up muscle. It's still lowered stuff.
I don't see Mazda 5s built very often. I think this is the one from Import Face Off. Definitely is. Oh, it's a whole crew. It's 370Z. That's a low Miata. Some of you guys recognize this car from Import Face Off. By far the loudest Volkswagen in New Hampshire. I don't know if I caught that on camera, I can't see it. I can't see the screen. Yes, also. That's 2K. Oh, that's the red car. Oh, damn. Look at that. That's 2K.
Is it?
Yeah,
Is there a turbo in that?
It's twin turbo, yeah.
Oh, wow. It's the first twin turbo NSX I've seen.
Okay, yeah, this thing makes some power.
It's 800.
Wow.
What? Still all-wheel drive?
Beat Lamborghinis with this son of a gun.
Dad, there's a Lamborghini here.
This here's a Pro Charge Mustang. Heard this pulling in. Lambo. Ooh! Look at that bad boy. Oh, this is the one I saw at Import Face Off. I can't see the screen. Oh my god, look at this. Oh.
Yeah.
Riley Gardner, take some notes.
Hey, you love me out.
Ain't no fucking hood on it.
It's got an exhaust sticking out of the hood. Oh my goodness. Holy crap. Brother. I've never seen anything like this before.
Shit. Okay. Bro, you brought the Volkswagen. Where's the trophy?
Yeah, where's the trophy? I was at Import Face Off.
Dad, it sounds like fireworks.
Oh, there goes Avery. Excuse me. Yeah, respect. Alright. It's a lot cooler out than it was when I got here. Kinda wish this thing had its hood up. It's got the triple side gauges. Little Miata. Oh, it's bumper scraping. Ooh, Corvette on BBS's. Little Z06. And another Z06. Nasty. It's on race wheels. Sheesh. Fit my whole gosh darn foot in that. Buick popped his hood.
I was working on cats for some time.
I could do that on a flat surface. No, it's going to the ground right now.
Nice. Tofu. Oh my god. It's a whole row of Infinities besides this 370Z. Whew, all directions.
That's mine. That's yours.
That thing's a beast.
Mine. That's
603 diesels. Too bad I missed that event. It was yesterday. Pair of Evos. Where is it? I can't see it. Oh, it's coming around this way, I think. '25th anniversary Trans Am right here. It's my favorite Infinity of the few that were here. It's leaving. What was that? I barely caught that on camera. I just turned it off.